Merry Christmas, everyone.
So she turns on those lights, says Merry Christmas, turns on the tree, turns on that F. Hello, I'm going to do a quick rundown of a few of the routines I have in my Amazon app. If you don't know what the routines are in the app, they are commands that allow you to link different actions together, multiple actions, turn lights on, turn lights off, switches, plugs, music, all kinds of stuff. So I just want to run down a few things that I have built. Also making sure I include the wait option, which is pretty new. So here's just a couple things. I have a bunch of routines in here, and basically you can set the routines to start different ways, whether it be your voice or time. So let me get into this and I'll show you what I mean. Let's start with this bedtime one and say the wake word, and then bedtime, she would go through this series of actions. I have my front room panels with nano leaves. I have in the front room. I have those to turn off. I have my Christmas tree because it's Christmas time. I have that to turn off. And then I have all the hue lights to turn off. I also have a playroom switch and a dining room switch. Those are not hue lights, those are just TP-Link switches, which is all can be controlled as well. Once all those are off, I have the bedroom lights and the master bedroom bathroom lights come on. And the reason for that is this means bedtime. This means we're getting ready for bed, shut the house down. We're gonna be up for a little while. We're actually not going to sleep yet, but I do want to get the house ready for us to actually go to bed. So you'll notice I have master bedroom 1, 2, and 3 to turn on to a cool, and turn the master bedroom on, and that will get the bathroom lights on, and then also stop audio on all devices. So as you can see, with just one word, you have many actions taking place, and it is very fast and very efficient. Where I utilized the wait option was every day when my kid gets up for school, I have a few things happen, and those are on scheduled time. I'll do this first one, which is 6 o'clock when my wife wakes up, and that means just turn the kitchen on to a very low light so that she can come in and make her coffee and get ready for work. Then at 6:29 is when my kid's supposed to wake up. I have the echo in his room screaming at him that it's time to wake up, and wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. That's another option. You can have Alexa say things at certain times or during certain actions. And the cool thing is you can set the volume of that individual echo or whichever device. It's at a certain level before she actually speaks. So in this instance, at 6:29, the living room lights come on. So when my son Enzo comes out to come to the living room, the lights are already on for him. The volume on the dot in his room gets set to 10, and it yells at him, wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. So it makes him get up. So then here's where I utilize the wait option. In weekdays at 6:55, which is when the time is that Enzo has to get ready for school, I have Alexa turn the TV off, set the volume to 10 for the echo in the living room. It screams at Enzo, it's time to get dressed, and the lights in the living room go blue. So he gets a visual of the TV going off, the lights turning blue, and then yelling at him to get ready. I then use the wait option to wait 2 minutes, and then I have yell again, Enzo, I hope you're getting ready for getting dressed, and don't forget to brush your teeth. I use another wait, and then I set the volume back down to 4, which is the echo in the living room, so the next time we use it, she's not blaring. And then I return the living room lights to a white. So, and as you can see at the bottom, it's coming out of my Steve's Echo, which is the main echo in the living room. So that's pretty cool. And I'll show you one last one that I have, obviously for the holidays. It's Christmas time. So this one's pretty cool because this one will set the volume to 8. Actually, there's two different things that go on here. I have the volume set to 8 for the echo in the front room where my Christmas tree is, because those are where the nano leaf panels are. And those panels turn on with when I say it's Christmas time, so that they dance to the music, whatever Christmas music I have playing, which comes from my Amazon Music. And keep in mind, you can have her play music from any of the things, whether it be Amazon, Spotify, Intune, all those options, any options of Pandora, XM, any option that you have hooked to your Alexa app, you can then utilize to play back music. In this routine, once I started, she sets the volume to 8, turns on the leaves in the front room, turns on the music, says Merry Christmas to everyone, turns on the tree, and then starts playing music. So, and obviously any of the stuff that doesn't happen, that's already happening, won't happen again. It just overrides it. And then I have a bunch of other ones in here. I have ones for if there's a motion at the front door for the ring bell. If she detects motion, turns on my front light. I have one here if the ring at the front door is pressed. I have her yell out, "Someone's ringing your ding-a-ling," which is kind of funny. I have a goodbye when we're leaving the house, shuts everything off. Everything gets shut off, and then turns on locks my entry door and turns on a little bit of light. So when we come home, there's some light when we walk in the house. I have one for when we do come home, all kinds of stuff. I mean, the options are endless. I even have one that says I'm cold, and it changes the temperature on the Nest to a certain degrees. I'm just going to back up real quick and just show you. I just want to show you a quick list of all the things that you can actually do. These are all the actions you can do. You can pull up a calendar event. You can send a message to yourself. You can have a text message come in over the app. You have to have notifications turned on. There's the wait option, weather, traffic, just an abundance of stuff. There are a few things that I look forward to that I hope they add. Condition, like if something is already on or if someone is away, stuff like that. I hope they add that at some point. But the options with routines right now are endless. So if you have any questions, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.